You step into the airport and it hits you. The future isn't coming someday, it's already switched on. Your glasses light up softly, showing your gate number floating right in front of you. As you walk outside, glowing arrows appear over the street, guiding you to your ride. 5 minutes before your meeting, a reminder fades into your vision like it read your thoughts. You haven't touched your phone once, and yet everything just happens. What's wild is this isn't some sci-fi movie. There are 5 new AI-powered smart glasses that can already do this, and a few that can do even more. Glasses that translate, text, record, navigate, and think alongside you. Glasses that are quietly replacing the smartphone, and no one's even ready for it. By the end of this video, you'll know which pair could end up on your face next. Because one of them is so advanced, it's already been restricted in multiple countries, and that controversy might just be what makes it brilliant. The first pair on this list has a feature so advanced, it's already raised privacy flags in multiple countries, and that controversy is exactly what makes it brilliant. The Meta Ray-Ban display glasses, launched in late 2025, are the first smart glasses that genuinely feel like they could replace your phone for most daily tasks. Inside the right lens lives a full-color, high-resolution display that activates only when you need it. Messages, notifications, directions, even live video calls appear seamlessly in your line of sight and vanish the moment they're no longer needed. The real game changer is the Meta Neural Band, an EMG wristband that reads the electrical signals in your muscles. You can pinch your fingers to answer a call, swipe to scroll through messages, or interact with apps, all hands-free. Combined with Meta AI, these glasses can translate menus instantly, identify landmarks, or provide contextual suggestions, essentially acting as a walking personal assistant. The system still relies on your phone for initial setup and data connection, but once connected, it handles roughly 70% of daily phone use without ever touching your device. At $799, these aren't just glasses. They're a serious first step toward a world where your phone might be optional, blending futuristic tech with real-world usability in a way no other device currently does. If you've ever felt completely helpless in a foreign country, the holiday AI glasses solve that problem in a way that feels almost invisible. They were the surprise hit of CES 2025, and for good reason. At first glance, they look like ordinary eyewear. The secret lies in their invisible micro-projection display, which only activates when needed. Flight info appears as you approach the airport, reminders fade in moments before meetings, and directions appear the instant you step onto a new street. What makes Holiday truly remarkable is its proactive AI. Unlike reactive devices, it learns your habits and surfaces information at precisely the right moment. Control is handled via a smart ring, letting you twist to scroll or tap to select. Silent, discreet, and surprisingly intuitive. The standout feature is real-time translation in 89 languages, displaying live subtitles as someone speaks. It turns conversations that would normally require phones, apps, or gestures into seamless communication. While it doesn't take photos, record videos, or handle calls, Holiday nails the 50-plus daily tasks most people actually do with a phone. Notifications, navigation, information retrieval, and translation. And it does it all while remaining stylish, light, and comfortable. At $499, it's not trying to wow with flashy tech. It's smart, subtle, and solves real problems in a human-centered way, proving that sometimes the most invisible devices are the most powerful. The third pair on this list defies physics. The Rokid Air Ultra weighs less than a slice of bread, just 49 grams, yet delivers capabilities your $1,200 phone can't even approach. Fresh off a record-breaking Kickstarter that raised $3.6 million, these glasses are built for travelers, remote workers, and anyone who wants to remain hands-free without compromising functionality. Rokid's focus is communication. Dual-eye monochrome displays provide real-time two-way translation, allowing you to converse naturally across languages. A 12MP HDR camera captures hands-free photos and videos in stunning quality. The AI assistant can transcribe meetings, take notes, and even identify speakers, all in real time. While they don't offer color displays, that choice extends battery life and enhances clarity, giving up to 6 hours of continuous use, enough to outlast even the longest international flight. Rokid isn't trying to replace every feature of your phone. Instead, it focuses on doing a few key tasks exceptionally well: communication, navigation, information retrieval, and language translation. For people who travel frequently or work internationally, the Rokid Air Ultra transforms everyday interactions, making your phone feel heavy and outdated. Its combination of extreme portability, practical AI features, and reliable performance positions it as one of the most thoughtful smart glasses on the market today. The fourth pair takes AR beyond convenience. It redefines reality itself. After over a decade of prototypes and billions in R&D, Snap has built what it calls a wearable computer. The Spectacles 2026 don't just overlay information, they embed digital objects in the real world, anchored perfectly so they feel like part of your environment. They run Snap OS 2.0, rebuilt from scratch with OpenAI and Google Gemini baked in. Developers already have access to early units, building AR apps, games, and interactive experiences. Imagine cooking with AR instructions hovering over your countertop, playing games where characters run across your living room, or collaborating with friends on shared 3D projects in real space. If Snap executes their vision, these spectacles could be the first device that genuinely replaces smartphones, not by mimicking a screen, but by creating a new way to interact with digital information. Pricing hasn't been confirmed, but the level of investment and preparation makes it clear that Snap is serious. These aren't gimmicks. They are the first smart glasses designed to become an everyday interface for work, play, and social life, and could redefine what it even means to carry a computer. Finally, the one everyone's anticipating: Apple Vision Glass. Apple hasn't confirmed details, but leaks and insider reports suggest micro OLED transparent displays, AI-powered next-generation Siri, and deep ecosystem integration across Mac, Watch, iPhone, and AirPods. Imagine receiving a notification while walking. You start dictating a reply, and when you sit at your Mac, your message is already there waiting for you. Your Apple Watch becomes a controller, AirPods deliver spatial audio that matches your vision, and Siri finally feels intelligent, conversational, and context-aware. Apple isn't just making smart glasses, they're creating the next personal computer, a device that exists in your vision instead of your pocket, letting you handle workflows entirely hands-free. It's fully voice-controlled, powered by AI that's been rebuilt for years, and rumored to offer seamless handoff between devices in the Apple ecosystem. Price isn't confirmed, but it's Apple. Expensive, exclusive, and likely to sell out instantly. If Apple hits the mark, these glasses won't just be smart, they'll make leaving your phone at home feel natural, ushering in a new era where glasses become the primary interface for digital life. So here's the question: when your glasses can text, translate, navigate, and even think with you, do you really still need a phone? Because the screen we've carried for years is slowly disappearing, and the future isn't something you hold anymore. It's something you wear. Every one of these glasses is a small glimpse of what comes next, a world where information just appears when you need it, and technology finally gets out of your way. Would you actually ditch your phone for a pair of smart glasses like these? Drop your thoughts below. I'm curious where you stand. And if you love seeing the future before everyone else does, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next deep dive into the gadgets quietly reshaping how we live.